Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Mater, let's go! You're on!
I know, but I'm always all by myself up there, and everybody else is down on the ground having...
On your mark, get set. Uno for the money, due for the show.
No problem. But actually, the brave construction crew were the ones that found them, right?
You had.
Yo, I've never been off-road!
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello, face.
A little bit of training. Tag, you're in. What?
Well, that's how I used to feel when I was driving for the Lower Belleville County Unified School District.
Als jullie naar huis rijden, kijk dan goed uit. Het spooklicht kan ook...
Your next stop is the hospital! Whoa! Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
forecast? I'll give you the forecast. 100% chance of thunder, gazooga.
What's taking this guy so long? Is he really as good as they say he is? No. Better.
I get scared.
Turn right to go left. Turn right to go left.
That doesn't make any sense.
Turn right to go left.
Oh, Red, you missed a spot. Stare right there in the hood,
No,
right
no.
there. Yeah, drive. Don't you big city race cars ever just take a drive?
No.
He's going again.
Get back, you oil-thirsty parasite! Actually, this is my good side here.
Timers like this guy.
Right. Storm achieves his top.
Oh, hey there, champ. I heard you're selling mud flaps after today. Is that true? Hey, you put me down for...
Neither one of them has a single day.
Oh, I'm gonna fix that.
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Oí que es el más veloz del...
Mr. Sterling, did you say Lightning McQueen was here? Because I don't see him anywhere.
Now, I can't go to collect Sir Topham Hatt and Alicia Body. Would you take my special for me? Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will... Oh, man, the paint's still wet!
¿Te gusta nuestra tierra?
Pitch it hard, break it loose, and just drive it with the throttle. Give it too much, you'll be out.
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government. They're feeding us a...
Oh, getting beat today.